So today we're going to be showing you guys how to do an oil change on a 2004 Jeep Liberty with the 3.7 V6. To do this job, we're going to need a few tools: an oil filter wrench, a 13mm socket for the oil drain plug, a drain pan for the old oil, and of course, your new oil and filter. So the first step is going to be to drain out the old oil. For that, we'll need the drain pan and the ratchet. So first we'll want to locate the oil drain plug, position the pan beneath it, and loosen this guy up. Next, we'll want to locate the oil filter on this vehicle. For this particular model, it's on the front of the motor above the front cross member. Next, you'll want to remove the oil filter. Now with the old filter removed and the oil drained out, it's time to put the new stuff in. For this vehicle, we've chosen to use a Wicks filter with high mileage Valvoline oil. Now before you put the new oil filter in the vehicle, you're going to want to prime it with the fresh oil. Make sure you get some on the seal so that it doesn't stick. And a good note to remember is to make sure that the old seal came off of your oil filter. If that is still on the vehicle, it will leak. Now to install the oil filter, now after the oil change is completed, before just taking off, you're going to want to start the vehicle and check underneath it for any leaks just to make sure everything's good. With the vehicle running, we'll just make sure that there are no leaks. This one looks good. Now that we've checked for leaks, and after it's run a bit, we'll check the oil and make sure that we are up to where we should be. Right at the top of the hash marks. Perfect. Now that the oil change is done, that will conclude our video. Thank you for watching.